let's dive right in. When it comes to protein, I recommend vegetable protein because the amino acids are basically the same and you get great protein from lentils. You get great protein from beans, all sorts of beans. And I just want to remind you of the fact that they're not only loaded with great protein, like you get 7 grams of protein in half a cup approximately, but you also get all this amazing fiber, antioxidants. We're talking about soluble fiber, you know, insoluble fiber as well. And you get all these incredible nutrients, vitamins, minerals. And I said I would talk about protein, so let me focus on that. And let me tell you, they're really easy to cook. And you could even eat them raw by just sprouting them, okay, as I have taught you in my videos. So get some sprouted beans, some sprouted lentils are really easy to make, and you've got your protein. You could also cook them as soup. You can watch my latest YouTube video, okay, on that. Maybe I'll link it right there on the cards. And yes, when it comes to you guys, Instagram TV, I started making these fit quickies. Let me know what you think of them. And if you'd like to see more, and if you have more questions, because many people ask me, hey, Bruno Marcone, my cousin, Isaías, Mario, Felipe, hello, Gaston, Samurai, Isaías, Robert, and so many. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. And yes, this is almost midnight, and I just wanted to say, hey, that I'm here for you and tell you that there is no question that vegetable protein is way better for you than anything derived from what is not kind to the planet, to the animals. So let's be switching to good protein. And if you like your hamburgers and your pizzas and your macaroni and cheese and even your ham and all that is possible, vegan. That's why I'm always posting recipes on my stories from other people, and I could give you my recipes as well. I'm really more simple, and you know, it's like today I made chocolate pudding with some great avocado and cocoa and bananas for flavoring. It's just too amazing. It's super delicious. I thought of showing you that, but I said, no, we're going to talk about proteins. So how much protein do you need? You know, it all depends, and I'm going to give you general guidelines like 0.8 to 1 gram per kilo of weight. And, you know, if you're bodybuilding, you might need some more. But the secret to bodybuilding, even Arnold Schwarzenegger can tell you this. And if you want to see an example of a guy who's incredible, Nimai Delgado, he has such great muscle. It's all vegan, all plant-based, you guys. There's no reason not to eat great lentils. Here, the abundance of lentils. Like I said, they're not just high in protein. Yes, just, you know, half a cup of cooked gives you 7 grams. So depending, let's say you need 50 grams of protein a day, you can easily get it from this, plus everything else you eat, like spinach, like broccoli, and nuts, seeds, they have protein as well. And before, we used to think that you had to have all the amino acids in one meal, and that's not true. You can just get them from different sources and you know, enjoy every meal. Or if you're like me and you do intermittent fasting, that's fantastic too. Just be sure to get lots of variety of fruits, veggies, this kind of legumes that are so high in protein. And I don't know how long I've been. It's like, what, almost? Yeah, like the 5 minutes that I said. I basically decided to do this even though it's kind of late. En español viene ahora, Nati. Como les dije, yo hago uno en inglés y uno en español. A veces empiezo por español. Así que quédate en unos minutos que ya voy a hacerlo en español. So I'm coming right back in Spanish, you guys. I do English, Spanish, and bilingual. I mean, Spanglish as well. So now you know. Get your protein. Okay, and probably on Wednesdays, maybe I'm not going to be live like right now, but I will give you nutrition quickies. This is going to be my recommendation for you guys to do this. You can soak them overnight. The lentils are way easier, but any bean does this. Basically, you soak them for about 12 hours, and then what you do is just drain them and let them sprout. Day by day, you're going to have beautiful, delicious, and nutritious sprouts. No excuses, with even more protein, more vitamins, and just everything you need to protect you against not cardiovascular, but cardiac disease, cancer, all those neurodegenerative diseases as well. So the best thing you can do, seriously, for your protein, and this is backed by science, like the good science, not the science that's corrupt. In these crazy, chaotic times, it's like what you thought was true in the past, now it's not true. But, you know, Harvard still has some good things. Like, it's going to recommend that you definitely avoid cancer by actually eating legumes like this, okay? Tons of fiber, tons of protein for you. No excuses. Get them raw vegan if you want, and you could do everything one step at a time. And if you want my help, I'd love to do that one-on-one with my coaching. So DM me, and it's also consultation.monicasancio.net. And I also have an easier link that is coach.fit90x.com. And then you could, let's see, get in touch with me. So we have a consultation, and I help you in your nutrition plan, okay? So that your plan is exclusive for you, because everybody's different, okay? What I eat is different from what you're gonna eat. I love smoothies. I even add some of my lentils. Anyway, so many ideas. So maybe for next Wednesday, I'll have more. And on Friday, if you want to join me live, I will be this Friday. It's going to be live, yes. We're going to talk about motivation and positive attitude and some specifics of that, like when you're lazy, what to do. No excuses. Any questions? I got to go, and I got to do the Spanish one. Ya vengo con lo en español. All right, Mark. Ander, hello, hello. Miguel. Hector. Okay, it seems like everybody here is wanting me to do it in Spanish. I'll be right back, you guys. Love you so much. Mwah. Love and light. Take care. Oh, we're not supposed to do this. That's not good. So namaste. Q, 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 Q. And yes, the best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. I'll see you in a bit. Ya vengo en español. The best is yet to come. Q, who is JFK Jr.? Find out. Find out. Find out.